Have you ever been denied credit for something you desperately needed? Maybe a new car to replace your clunker, or perhaps that dream vacation. It can be a frustrating experience, leaving you wondering what went wrong. Well, chances are, your credit score played a big role. These three-digit numbers hold immense power, silently dictating our financial opportunities. But how do we even keep track of this mysterious credit score? That's where services like Credit Karma come in. They offer free credit score monitoring and reports, a lifesaver for the financially savvy. But with anything free on the internet, a question lingers: is there a catch? Is Credit Karma safe? Let's dive deep and unpack the potential risks and benefits of using Credit Karma. Here's the truth up front: Credit Karma itself isn't inherently risky. It's a legitimate company that provides a valuable service. They make their money by recommending financial products based on your credit profile, but you're never obligated to use them. However, there are a few things to consider when using Credit Karma or any similar credit monitoring service. Security is always a top concern. Credit Karma uses industry-standard encryption to protect your data, which is great. But remember, even the most secure systems can be vulnerable to breaches. The best defense? Be mindful of the information you share. Credit Karma only needs your basic details: name, address, and birth date. They don't store your social security number in full, which minimizes the damage if a breach were to occur. Another potential risk: inaccuracy. Credit Karma provides information from one credit bureau, Equifax, to be specific. While this is helpful, it's not the whole picture. There are two other major bureaus, Experian and TransUnion, and your credit report with each can vary slightly. This means your actual credit score might be different from what Credit Karma shows. Here's the key takeaway: Credit Karma is a useful tool, but it shouldn't be your sole source of truth. It's wise to check your credit reports with all three bureaus regularly. You can access free reports weekly from Annual Credit Report. Beyond security and accuracy, there's the issue of marketing. Credit Karma bombards you with credit card and loan offers. While this can be a good way to discover new possibilities, it's important to be responsible. Don't get sucked into applying for every credit card under the sun. Applying for too much credit in a short period can actually hurt your score. So, to summarize, Credit Karma offers a valuable service for free, but it's not without limitations. Be aware of potential security risks, know that the information might not be 100% complete, and navigate the marketing responsibly. Ultimately, the decision to use Credit Karma is yours. If you value convenience and keeping an eye on your credit, it can be a helpful tool. Just be sure to use it strategically and be mindful of the potential drawbacks. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.